guys, every recipe requires room temperature butter, but if you're anything like me that have no time and no patience to wait for it, this tip is just for you. All you need is a microwave safe container and a microwave, obviously, and then follow me. Add water to the container and put it in the microwave for about a minute or so until it's hot. Then you dispose the water and you'll see what's next. My container just came out of the microwave and I threw away the water. I am going to put it again in the microwave, but this time with no water. And I'm gonna give it about 45 seconds just for it to reheat. The only reason why I gave it a minute with water inside is because sometimes some containers, if you put them too long in the microwave, they explode and you don't want that. So what I'm gonna do is I just heat it up enough. I'm gonna reheat it for it to be the perfect temperature to melt my butter. Some of you may be wondering why I just didn't, cut through the work and just put it straight in the microwave. The only reason why I didn't do that is because the microwaves changes the composition of the butter and we don't want that. This, however, creates like a little heat capsule and brings it naturally to room temperature without affecting the components in the butter. And there you go. Subscribe. See you next time.